Hey food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another tantalizing trip into the future of food. I'm super excited to talk about two revolutionary trends that are set to change our kitchens forever: lab-grown meats and 3D printed foods. First up, lab-grown meat. Imagine enjoying a juicy burger, knowing it was grown in a lab without harming any animals. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Scientists are cultivating cells to create real meat, minus the ethical dilemmas and environmental impact. It uses less water, less land, and produces fewer greenhouse gases. Plus, it's free from antibiotics and hormones. Think about the possibilities: healthier, more sustainable meat options that don't compromise on flavor. Now let's talk about 3D printed food. Yes, you heard that right. With the magic of 3D printing, chefs and home cooks alike can create intricate designs and textures that were once impossible. This technology isn't just for show. It can tailor food to individual dietary needs and preferences. Imagine a personalized meal printed just for you at the push of a button. From customized chocolates to intricate pasta shapes, the culinary world is brimming with creativity. But what does this mean for traditional cooking? Will chefs be replaced by machines? Not quite. These innovations are tools to enhance creativity, not replace it. Chefs can push the boundaries of flavor and presentation using lab-grown meats and 3D printed elements to elevate their dishes. Sustainability is a huge part of this food revolution. Our current food production methods are straining the planet. Lab-grown meats and 3D printed foods offer a more eco-friendly alternative. They reduce waste, save resources, and can help feed a growing global population. So what can we expect in the near future? Imagine walking into a restaurant and ordering a dish that combines traditional techniques with futuristic ingredients. Or visiting a grocery store where lab-grown meats are sold alongside conventional products. The future of food is all about blending the best of both worlds. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible innovation driving these trends. Scientists, engineers, and chefs are collaborating to create a more sustainable and delicious future. It's an exciting time to be a food lover. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the future of food. If you're as excited as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty updates. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.